Welcome to Conceptual Learning channel. In this video, you will be able to understand the concept of cost of quality and its applications. Cost of quality is a relevant topic for management accountancy and operation management qualifications. Cost of quality plays a vital role in the successful implementation of total quality management, known as TQM. Cost of quality helps organizations in optimizing its resources and to manufacturing cost-effective and defects-free products or services. This diagram reflects four components of cost of quality. Here you can see cost of quality is grouped into two categories and each category involves two components of costs. Category 1 is the cost of good quality and involves prevention cost and appraisal cost. Whereas category 2 is the cost of poor quality and involves internal failure cost and external failure cost. Here cost of quality is presented in formula form. Cost of quality is equal to cost of good quality plus cost of poor quality. Where cost of good quality consists of prevention cost and appraisal cost. Cost of poor quality consists of internal failure cost and external failure cost. The cost of quality is summed up as COQ is equal to PC plus AC plus IFC plus EFC. As mentioned earlier, these are four components of cost of quality. PC is prevention cost, AC is appraisal cost, IFC internal failure cost, EFC external failure cost. Now we briefly explain these components separately. Prevention cost is the first cost component. Prevention cost is the cost of preventive action which is taken before the start of manufacturing process to avoiding defects and failures. The associated actions of preventive cost includes training and development program, process design and control, process audits, research and survey of customer needs, assessment of potential suppliers, statistical process control. Keeping in view the importance of preventive cost, we are going to explain these actions. Training and development program equips employees with capability to managing customer satisfaction effectively. Process design helps in meeting the business needs through quality management system and ensures that the activities like sampling and examinations are controlled for accurate and reliable testing. Process audits refers to verifications of process to ensure that processes are working within established limits and are in accordance with conformance to the predetermined quality control standards. We also conduct research and surveys of customer needs and assess potential suppliers to ensure consistent quality. Statistical process control is used to monitor and control a process to ensure that products being produced are in accordance with its specifications and less waste and variations. Second cost component is appraisal cost. Companies incur appraisal cost to ensure that products or services being produced are in conformance with its regulatory requirements and are in accordance with customer satisfaction and requirement. The associated appraisal cost includes inspection of incoming material received from suppliers, inspection of in-process material, inspection of final products, inspection training, maintenance of test apparatus and equipment. Customer satisfaction survey. Third cost component is internal failure cost. Internal failure cost is incurred due to non-conformance of quality standards and defects in products or services detected before its delivery to customer. The associated internal failure cost includes rework cost, net scrap cost, corrective action cost, retesting cost, throughput, loss cost. Fourth and last component is external failure cost. External failure cost is the cost of defects detected after the customer receives the product or service. The defects are the results of non-conformance of quality standards. This type of cost is crucial as it has negative impact on the growth and reputation of the company. The associated external failure cost includes complaints processing cost, warranty claim cost, lost reputation cost, dissatisfied customer cost, product return cost, recalled product cost. In the end, I would like to express the importance of management accountant's role, as the management accountants supports total management in determining the cost of quality through its evidence-based cost analysis and decision making. I hope you will find this video useful for your qualifications. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.